Dupee, your #1 off-market land specialist, hyper-focused on infill lots. Today I'm going to be coming to you with some more epic wow content. It was requested by Cluster Price, and the topic of this video will be hedge funds for land, where to find them, and also how to sell your land for top dollar. Okay? So I'm going to be talking about two topics here, but before I get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button. And if you find anything valuable here, drop me a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Thumbs up, smiley face, something like that. All right. Couple announcements. If you're local to the Charlotte market and you want to attend a meetup, holla at your boy. I'm hosting the meetup once a month. Basically, I'll do this meetup January 28th from 6 to 8 p.m. Sorry, 7 to 9 p.m. The link will be in the description. If you're looking for a course, yours truly have hosted a course. Just dropped it, fresh off the press, $9.97. Get in when you fit in. If you cannot afford the course at this time, please see my free course. The link is in the description. I have a ton of goodies for you, ebooks, scripts. I mean, you name it. I'm doing JVs. I mean, whatever is clever, holla at your boy. All right, so to Cluster Price question, hedge funds for land, where to find them, and also how to sell your land for top dollar. All right, so I'm going to tackle this question first, and I just want to put an emphasis on this. I have never sold land to a hedge fund, but it is possible. And basically, anything you need done, Cluster, you want to have a gen mentality. And basically what that means is Google it now, okay? So basically, I'm going to type your question inside of Google, hedge funds that buy land, okay? And basically what you want to do is you want to kind of, just look around. I did find one already, Land 13F hedge fund and asset management owners. But I'll click on a couple more for you. And basically what I got from here is, basically they got their website, they got their phone number, they got their address, they got who the CEO is. And it basically says Gladstone Land Corp is a real estate investment trust. It engages in purchasing farms and farm-related properties and leasing them to farmers. The company acquires farmland, which it rents to corporate and independent farmers on a triple net lease basis, an arrangement under which the farmer maintains the property while paying rent. Gladstone Land was founded by David Gladstone on June 14, 1997, and is headquartered in McLean, Virginia. So I just want to go ahead and look at their website and see, wow, their website don't even work. So much for that. I would try to get this joker a call. As you can see, they're doing crazy numbers. Market cap 1.155 billion. They got shares, operating cash flow. So again, you want to reach out to them. Their website don't work, unfortunately. I just want to Google their company and see if I can find anything on their company, just to kind of see what else are they looking for. All right, as you can see, Gladstone Land Corporation. The website didn't work, but as you can see, this is kind of what they do. So basically, if I was looking for a hedge fund that buys land, farmland, any type of land, I would look what areas they're looking for land. North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida. I mean, existing locations of portfolio properties. All right. So basically, as you can see, it even gives you the city and state where they're buying at right here. Like, it shows you where they're buying at, what they got, like how long they had it. So basically what you can do is, you can go to PropStream and you want to go to link properties. And you want to put in one of their property addresses, and basically you want to go to link properties, and you can basically size up everything they have bought. That's basically what you want to do. You want to have a Google it now. I just found a hedge fund that's buying in all these places. So let me just click on one of these. All right, acquisition date, 35 irrigation wells on the property. All right, it shows me the land. I'm really looking for an address so I can run a check to see what else they own, okay? But as you can see, this person is buying land nationwide. So this is a person you might want to add to your arsenal. They buying recently. Acquisition date, 8/18/2021. West Orange, Florida. 617 gross acres with 549 planted acres of lemon and orange trees. Okay, so that Google it now mentality will take you a long way. Okay, you can see what kind of acres they're going after: 5,000 acres, 6,000 acres, 1,200 acres. Okay, so this is a big buyer, and like you say, their numbers is crazy. I mean, you can look at their market cap numbers; they're in the billions. So this is you gave me an idea. I might just reach out to them myself, and basically, I want to see if I see anything else here. I don't see where, like, if they was, like, if you can sell them your land. But as you can see, this is just in Florida. I want to see where they're at in North Carolina, because this is my market. And it looks like they're in Bladenburg, North Carolina. They bought 310 acres here with 295 planted acres of blueberry bushes located in North Carolina's Bladen County. Okay, so canal water and one irrigation well on the property. So this kind of shows you, you know, what these people doing. What I would need is an address where I can run a link property search. Let me just see. I doubt if they're using their main address. I doubt if they're using that, because that's a suite. But to get in touch with them, you'll just write them something and say, hey, I specialize in land. I want to know, are you buying any off-market land properties, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But let's see what else we can come up with that gen mentality. Google it now. Okay, we got other funds purchase raw land, then develop it. This is basically a blog article, but you can get a lot of tips from these blog articles. You just gotta go down and you're looking for land. Alright, don't really see anything there. I'm gonna keep searching. You might want to go on page 2 as well. Yep, page 2 to see what else we got for hedge funds that buys land. Hedge fund investment. Okay. Land and buildings this week. Central Level Department Investment Management. The value of British land shares. Okay. Asia Pacific land. Private equity hedge funds that buy cheap real estate. Okay. Starwood Capital. Hotain Chains investment arm has formed a $250 fund to buy land in Southern California. It's another hedge fund for you. Alright, it's another hedge fund right here for you. It tells me the name of the people. All you got to do is Google their name and try to find their website and basically reach out to them. It's saying that they buy land. It's going after Florida. Okay, I don't know about all that, but yeah, it said they buying land. This is the name of their company is. Let me see if I can get a name of the company. This is a pretty old article, I think 2007. Yeah, pretty old. You want something a little bit more recent. Last year. Again, the whole purpose of this is to find hedge funds that want land. I was able to find one for you. Was able to get some information for them. All right. So your second question, cluster, is how to sell your land for top dollar. This is a very easy question. I do this sometimes, but not all the time, because I'm a quick flipper. Typically, to get the highest and best offer for your property, you would typically have to sell to somebody on the MLS. And to get access to the MLS flat fee listings, you want to go right here. It's a company called listforfreedom.com. It's like 89 bucks. They list all over the world, 6-month listing, and this is how you're gonna get the highest and best. Straight up, you just pay one flat fee to list it. You do have to pay, a percentage to sell it. I typically do $1,000 because my lots are so cheap for the buyer's agent, just a flat fee, or 3%. 3% might be cheaper than $1,000 of a $25,000, $30,000 property. So again, I try to just give them a flat $1,000 to move my land, and it works fine. Sometimes I don't want to go through the hassle. I just like to move it quickly And that's pretty much it. So that's really, in my opinion, how you can get the highest and best offer for your land. It's on the MLS, hands down. So hopefully that answered your question. Hopefully community got some nuggets from that. Again, don't forget the Gen mentality. Google it now. Anything you need is on Google. I mean, as you can see, within seconds, I was able to find a hedge fund that I can possibly reach out to and possibly sell them some farmland. Find out exactly what they're looking for. What are they looking to acquire? You know, this is a nationally traded company. I mean, they're on NASDAQ. Their stocks is $33 down. And opportunity is endless with land, people. The opportunities is endless. This is just one niche inside of land. You got recreational land. You got swamp land. You got agriculture land, which is farmland. You got commercial land. You got infill development land. You got residential land. I mean, there's so much land out there. I mean, marshland. I mean, it's just so much land that you can move. Anybody just getting started, I highly recommend you start with a niche. And if I had to choose the niche for you, it would be infill lots, residential lots, 50,000 and under. The reason why is you want a quick flip. Typically, it takes a little while to put together these bigger deals. These deals are not put together overnight. The paydays are crazy. But it takes a little time. You want to get your money up, quick flip, 21 to 30 days, just keep flipping, and then maybe focus on, or do both, you know. No, don't do both. Do one at a time. Focus, follow one course until successful, master it, and then move to something else. Don't try to do too many things. Don't be the jack of all trades and the master of none. Very, very important. I'm trying to teach you these lessons and principles so you will not waste time and you will not be depressed, stressed, and oppressed because you're not getting results. If you're brand new, don't try to go out the farmland. I mean, look at the acreages on these properties. I mean, 400 acres, 600 acres. It takes time to put these deals together, okay? So hopefully you love this content. Hopefully you're getting some value from this. Thank you so much for checking me out. I'm trying to teach you these lessons and principles so you will not waste time and you will not be depressed, stressed, and oppressed because you're not getting results. If you're brand new, don't try to go out the farmland. I mean, look at the acreages on these properties. I mean, 400 acres, 600 acres. It takes time to put these deals together, okay? So hopefully you love this content. Hopefully